It's also my first time showing my face, so it's not easy to film yourself or to film in public, and it was a great experience, but I do have a lot to do to get to my final product. This video is actually not the one I had in mind, but it's pretty close. I will get there. I'm very happy that I actually started. Yes, young me will be proud of me right now. I just want to make her proud, you know. I don't even care about all that beautiful technical stuff. I just want to make something that si je regardais ça quand j'étais plus jeune, j'aurais aimé. So yeah, getting to know me by watching this video. I'm half Beninese, half Togolese, and I will be switching entre français et anglais because I'm not trying to burn my mind. I'm gonna show the camera I will be using to actually be vlogging or recording stuff. The camera name is Canon M50 Mark II. I got it recently. I bought it in Europe, and I mean it's kind of doing the job. The pictures look nice. The focus is kind of blurry from time to time, but I mean c'est compliqué à régler de temps en temps, mais je gère quand même. If you follow, I'm dead. Don't play with me. If you have any information about any of the product I'm showing in the Ikea video, please go to the website because I really don't know where I was and how to direct you. Anyways, thank you.